Mathematical Association of Nigeria plays a vital role in advancing mathematics education, research and application in Nigeria. The association, established in Nigeria, aimed at promoting mathematics education, research and application in Nigeria with primary purpose of promoting mathematics education at all levels, primary, secondary and tertiary, enhance mathematics research and innovation, foster collaboration among mathematicians, educators and industries, improve mathematics teaching, learning methods and materials, and encourage problem-solving, critical thinking and analytical skills. Recently, the Ijebu Bloc of the Mathematical Association of Nigeria held the Maiden Award ceremony, among other things, to celebrate outstanding achievements in mathematics education and research. In her welcome address, the Ijebu Bloc Administrator of the Mathematical Association of Nigeria, MAN, Alhaja Balogun Alema Oluwatoyin, expressed appreciation to all who created time out of their busy schedule to honor the association invitation. Enumerating some of the purpose of the award ceremony, the Ijebu Bloc Administrator of the MAN said the event was to acknowledge the hard work, perseverance and dedication of mentors, leaders, committed teachers and students in mathematics, as well as foster a culture of innovation and excellence.
Your presence here adds to the significance and joy of this Maiden Award ceremony. The purpose of today's program is to recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of our mentors, our leaders, committed teachers, and students. It is a time to acknowledge the hard work, perseverance, and excellence that each awardee had demonstrated, whether in leadership by our leaders, commitment by our teachers, and academic of our students. Each recipient has set a standard of excellence that inspires us today. Today, we celebrate not just individual success, but also the spirit of dedication and excellence that each of our awardees embodies. Let us take this moment to applaud their efforts, recognize their perseverance, and encourage our students to continue striving greater. As we celebrate these remarkable achievements, I also want us to look forward for the future. Let us continue to support and encourage one another, fostering an environment where excellence is nurtured and celebrated. The journey ahead is full of limitless opportunities, and together we can achieve more greater heights. In conclusion, I want to thank every one of you for being here today. Your support and participation make this celebration truly special. Let's make the most of this opportunity to honor our awardees and to celebrate excellence together.
Speaking further, Alhaja Balogun Oluwatoyin pointed out that improved mathematics education in Nigeria, increased research outputs and innovation, enhanced collaboration among stakeholders, better preparation of mathematics teachers, and increased student participation in mathematics competitions were also some of the impacts of MAN to the education sector in Nigeria. The Ogun State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, who also doubles as chairman of the day, Professor Abayomi Aribabu, who acknowledged the supporting role of MAN in the overall development of mathematics education in Nigeria, reiterated Ogun State government's determination to continuously collaborate with MAN and other professional bodies with the same vision of shaping the future of the state. The commissioner therefore encouraged MAN, the awardees, and other Nigerians to key into government visions to secure the future of our great state.
It's a welcome development, and I want to sincerely congratulate the members of the executives of the Ijebu Bloc of Mathematical Association of Nigeria for being very thoughtful at putting this together. I can see a number of other dignitaries and members of the association. I want to also put on record that the the association's contribution to networking and collaboration between mathematicians and mathematics educators continue to work stronger. And I want to encourage all of us who are in this association to continue to work together, to share ideas, to network, and help one another, ensuring that teaching of mathematics becomes more lively as students show more interest in mathematics.
The guest speaker and principal director, Ijebu Division, Ogun State, Dr. Yusuf Babatunde Adeola, in his keynote address on trailblazers in mathematics, honoring visionaries, educators, and scholars, was of the view that mathematics education is pivotal in Nigeria's development. He advised policymakers in the country to give priority attention to mathematics education for increased and stable economy.
For you to be a trailblazer, we are bound to come across challenges. You are bound to come across obstacles. But you have to be persistent. You keep on to it. People may abuse you. People may castigate you. But you put your mind at what you are going to get at the end of the day. Their slogan is, the end justifies the means. So they make sure that they are persistent and they are determined. Aside that, trailblazers have creativity and innovation as among their characteristics. And lastly, they have passion for mathematics. They have passion for innovation. If you don't have passion for anything, you cannot really succeed in it. So trailblazers in mathematics, they are individuals who also have passion for the subjects. And trailblazers inspire others, shaping the future of mathematics. I will want to go through blazers in the record of history. Trailblazers in mathematics are a collection of individuals from yesterday and today whose talents, imaginations, and determination is shaping our futures today. There's another we call the ancient period. This ancient period, a period even before the birth of Christ. We have great mathematicians during that period. We have also trailblazers, among which are Archimedes, among which are Pythagoras. And today we are still teaching Pythagoras' theorem in solving right-angle triangle. We also have Archimedes that contributed to calculus, geometry, and engineering. For those of us that are students of physics, you come across what we call Archimedes' principles. That is in the flotation of objects on waters. We have people like Hypatia. These are the first female mathematician and astronomer.
The chairman of the award committee, Elder Odutayo Joseph, mentioned that the association benefits members through some of the following: networking opportunities, access to conference, workshops and trainings, subscription to man journals and publication, participation in mathematics competition, opportunities for research collaboration, professional development and career advancement. He added that the impact of the award to the community and association can never be underestimated.
Most of the people will see himself that he can still showcase his or her talent more, and they will try their best and add him up, because we are still telling them that their future has still price and they still need to put more effort in all their ways. So that is why we invited them to celebrate them. Even the program we did, we even give them individual each one, because they will be seeing his picture, and I believe their parents will also continue to tell them that this is just the beginning, that their future is still bright. The plan the association have for them is that we will continue mentoring them, because from primary they proceed to secondary, and we still have teachers among us from secondary that will be monitor them to tertiary institution. And likewise, we have some lecturers among us from tertiary institution that will continue monitor them as to be their mentee in future, so that we will now work in hands to hand together.
Awards of excellence were therefore presented to deserving individuals, members of the association, as well as students for their outstanding contributions to the man and the society. The awardees, who could not hide their feelings, expressed gratitude to the organizers, as well gave some advice to others.
Recognition of your exceptional contributions, commitment, and dedication to excellence in Ijebu Bloc.
Almighty God will continue to be with you and will continue to take man to the next level.
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
All right. Look at that.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Please, the population here has been diminishing. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
So from Ijebu now, Taiwo Rodiat. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rodiat. Pleasure. And from the same side, Ahmadiyya Comprehensive College only. From the senior category, from Uguwati side, I want to call on Alberta Mudela Petia Apostle from St. High School in Ugu.
Congratulations. We have to continue to be with you. We have to continue to uphold you. Lawrence Benjamin.
To be getting ready alongside Ijebu Bloc East Primary School and Funny Primary School in the room. Ogunsoya Mary, not a school.
But going from down, we have the
senior category from Ijebu North East.
Alamu Iskandar. is under the junior category. And Ijebu Bloc is presenting this award of fame to them. The next award of fame school, Ijebu Bloc. Can you please step forward? Congratulations. We want to say, we want to appreciate once again Ijebu Bloc. Then also, still on the senior category, Mr. Maran from CKCC again, from Christ the Pain Catholic College, Odolewu, Ijebu. Congratulations.
From Itele High School, Itele. From primary category, Odo, primary category, we have Taiwo, Oluwatomisin. Junior category, Ijebu.
Today I am happy. I really appreciate God for making my eyes to see today. You know, for you to be recognized means that every effort you are putting in the past is being seen by people. And I want to thank the organizer for appreciating my efforts and for being able to reward me today. It is a thing of joy, and I'm grateful to God and to the organizer for today.
I'm happy and I feel good for the award given to me from Ijebu Bloc. In fact, it's something that make me that I will still put more effort for Ijebu people to recognize the work I've been doing in the state. It makes me proud, and with that I promise that I will put more effort to this great association, how to take the association to greater heights.
It was highly encouraging, though it was a Herculean task going through, perusing, moving around all the 6 local governments. But I thank God that the foundation I helped them to lay that time is what we are reaping the fruit today. Because most of these people on board now, I was the one that brought them in. Because it was like a sole administrator then, a young man's job. I was just doing it because of the interest I had. And most importantly, I got a scholarship through this Mathematical Association of Nigeria for my master's degree then at University of Nigeria, Nsukka. So I was trying to encourage teachers too to participate actively so as to give their best to the teaching and learning of mathematics. And through these activities too, many teachers were given education, empowerment through seminars and workshops.
I feel great. I want to thank God for making today a reality. I sincerely appreciate the Mathematical Association of Nigeria, particularly Ijebu Bloc of Ogun State, for deeming fit and honoring me on this day. Mathematical Association of Nigeria, I'm a proud member of the association, and I have contributed my own quota to the advancement of the association. So it is on this note I am gladly receiving this award with all happiness, joy, and fulfillment.
I intend to justify this award by proving that I am truly deserving of it by helping my mates in school with their mathematical problems and going for more competitions. The award means that I am very good at mathematics, and it means that I have been gifted by God with the gift of mathematics. So I intend to help others like myself who struggle with mathematics, especially the juniors in my school, to become better and come for competitions like this themselves.
I would advise them to work hard and study so that they too they can have an award like this.
I feel honored and I feel appreciated. It makes me want to do more and more. So I'll be able to show when I get to school, show my juniors, and it's going to be like something to show, at least as a pace setter, as a trailblazer, that I've done something important.
I feel so pleased receiving this award today, and I feel encouraged that next year I hope I can do better than this. And I would like to implore other students to learn how to solve more mathematics. They should learn how to solve mathematics on their own so that it will be something that is part of them, that they will do very well in. So I hope the best for everyone. Thank you.
Well, I feel elated and honored to have been honored with this wonderful award. This is actually about the first time I'm getting an award like this. It's just to encourage me. The importance is just to encourage me to work harder, that I can get more than this. I will advise other students like me to discover their talents early and work towards achieving it.
I am very happy and proud of myself. What I can tell them is that some people usually run away from mathematics, so I will advise them to put more effort in maths.
The criteria for selecting the winners is that in each local government we held competitions. Then the competition, there are unite examination for them. So we invited the public schools, the private schools. Then after that, after the examination, we mark everything. So we now pick best students in public primary schools and best students in private primary schools. So that is the criteria.
I feel fulfilled, happy, and I thank God for everything. The benefits are so many. If you commit yourself to the association, you will benefit a lot. Number one, you mix with people, you learn a lot, and you come back to give back to the society. For example, in MAN, we learn a lot at state level during seminar, during workshop, during conference. And from there, we come back to our schools to educate students. The knowledge we acquired at our conferences, during the seminar and workshop, we come back and impart it on the students. And it brings more knowledge to the students we are teaching. We gain a lot because when you mix with professionals on the field, you learn a lot.
The significance to encourage those that have done well. To encourage those that have done well, as well to encourage those that have worked for what we are enjoying today. Some people have worked for this man initially, when there was no money, when people are not ready to sacrifice. Some people have suffered for it. So we are trying to do what? To encourage them, to celebrate them for the good job they have done. In Ogun State, we are mathematical association, we are great. We have done a lot by encouraging students to learn. Like this program we organize now is part of what we use to motivate them. Like those students that have not been participating or those that have participated and they did not win. This kind of program will boost them that by next competition I'm going to beat others. I'm going to come first, something like that. Definitely, they will develop themselves academically. Likewise, others like that.